Hey guys, Sarah here, coming on to review this Enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This one is so pretty. We love the gold handle accent right here. I got this for a gift for my daughter. She's getting married and she wants to learn how to make sourdough bread. So we got her the 5.5 quart, and this one is in the color cream. And it says to check if you have an induction oven, because these do work on the stovetop for the induction oven. Just make sure that it's flat and it's not wiggling, and it can work. And this one can go up into an oven for the temp can be like 500 degrees, I believe. So yeah, it comes with this user manual here, a recipe book. It said, there was a question and it said, does it come with a recipe book? And it does. So it gives you some recipes here, which is cool. And then this set came with like a mitt, a silicone thing so you can stick it on your countertops. And then there is this sponge here. What I like about this company, it gives you lots of color choices. We picked the cream color. It will go with my daughter's decoration, really pretty. So when she's done using it, she can actually leave it on her stove top and it will look beautiful. Look how pretty that is. It's definitely well made. This is a 5.5, like I said, quart. Like I said, that's the lid. It's definitely heavier, but it's, you know, it's good quality. All right, here's the bottom of it real quick. Okay. And there's the inside. It's coated. So yeah, guys, check this brand out if you're looking for something to make your sourdough loaves in. Check this one out. Good brand, all the colors, great quality. Looks so pretty. Definitely with that lid right there, but yeah, you can't go wrong with this one. Happy shopping, guys.